When your Rinnai Tankless water heater shows error code 11, it means the unit tried to ignite but failed to create a flame, so hot water production stops for safety. Start with the basics by checking that the gas supply valve is fully open, not just partially turned, and confirm your home has adequate gas pressure, since low pressure is one of the most common causes of ignition failure. Inspect the gas line for visible damage or leaks, and if the unit was recently installed, remember that trapped air in the gas line can prevent ignition and may need to be purged. Next, reset the water heater and check your electrical panel to make sure the breaker is on and the unit is receiving proper power. If the error continues, move to advanced checks. Inspect the igniter for damage or loose wiring, and clean the flame rod since dirt or corrosion can prevent the system from detecting a flame even if ignition occurs. Make sure the air intake and exhaust vents are clear, as blocked venting can disrupt combustion. Check and clean the inlet water filter to ensure proper flow, and perform regular annual flushing to remove mineral buildup that can interfere with ignition. If code 11 persists after these steps, stop troubleshooting and contact a qualified technician, because gas related repairs should always be handled with safety as the top priority.